We have tried all kinds of ways to protect your Quest 2. We have had silicone covers. We had that one hard shell that snapped on, but all of you said you wanted something that could actually work with the fan you've got on your Quest 2, not get in the way. And I said, challenge accepted. METORY, however you want to say it, it's like memory but with a T in it, has a front protective cover for your Quest 2 from Amazon for 20 bucks. I have a funny feeling you could probably find this on another website or from some other drop shipper, probably for less than 20 bucks. I feel like 20 bucks is a little big, but you're getting that Amazon Bezos tax on there. Always have that small, sharp unboxing knife. And basically what they've tried to do is they've kind of made this like a phone hard protective case where it looks like it's just gonna snap on. It doesn't go over around anything. And that's it right there. Weirdly, it's got another name on here, LaLaVR. So yeah, pretty sure this is drop shipped. It's much thicker than I expected, actually. It really does remind me of like those snap-on hard phone cases. And it literally just grips on to the front. It says it's anti-scratch. It's very hard plastic. Whew, I don't like doing that. It's got one little hole where your light shows up. It doesn't really need a hole. A light would show through a transparent cover. It's got big holes around the cameras. And you know, it actually stays on pretty solid. I'm surprised. Cool thing too, if you have eyes or something, it's not gonna block that up. There may be colored ones coming, but right now this is the only one I could find on Amazon. Oh God. Okay, taking it back off is probably the scariest thing because you're almost worried you're gonna rip this whole shell off. And it mentions in there that it doesn't get in the way of the venting. So for those of you who don't know out there, your Quest has built-in cooling. This thing that just looks like a plastic seam up here, there's actually a space where that pulls air through and out the other side to help cool your XR2 processor that's inside. I mean, you can see from here, any fan we have, this isn't really gonna get in the way. It snaps on much more stable than I expected, to be honest. It just relies on that lip back there and goes in, but it still leaves all the space for lip for the air to come out. I'm surprised so far. This is supposed to add real protection. It says that it's scratch resistant and safe. Okay, how scratch resistant are you? Can pretty easily pock my knife into the end of it here and leave little marks. That's not very surprising. You can scratch it up, but this thing is really sharp. And lastly, does it protect well? Okay, let's take it off. Let's see the damage that has been done. God, it really stays on there. That is probably the most surprising part. I really thought it would barely hang on, but it doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. When you try and take it off, it's kind of freaky. Ugh. Try to take it off because you feel like you're gonna rip the whole front of the Quest off, which is a testament to how well it stays on. Oh my God, just let go. You know? We'll get some close-ups on camera here, but I've got to say, that is pretty minimal damage. Not a mark on the Quest 2, of course, but that's not surprising. This is dense plastic. So if you want a cover that's gonna cover the front, help you a little bit in the event that you might drop it, scratch it, hit it, smack it with the samurai sword, this thing seems to fit the bill. 20 bucks might be a little high. You might be able to find a cheaper price. I'll look around a little bit more, but I will leave a link in the description because that's not bad. That's like a badge of honor right there. Nothing serious, nothing even close to going through it. Not bad. What do you think? Do you think there's any point in having one of these protective covers? Do you want one that doesn't get in the way of the fan, fits on there, doesn't really mess with the aesthetic of the overall Quest? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for coming up today, and I will see you in another reality.